How to sell on BitMart app. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell on BitMart application. To sell on BitMart application, first of all you need to create an account on BitMart. Now if you have already created an account on BitMart, now open your BitMart application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here you need to make sure you have the cryptocurrency you would like to sell in your BitMart wallet. If you need to deposit funds, you can transfer cryptos to your BitMart wallet. After that, you need to tap on this market icon at the bottom next to the home icon. By tapping on it, you will be able to navigate to the market section of the app and find the trading pair of the crypto you would like to sell. Now from here, find the crypto you would like to sell. Once you find the crypto, you can tap on it to open it. Within it, you will reach to this page. Now in this page, you need to tap on this sell button at the bottom right. Once you do so, you will reach to this page from where you can now place sell order. If you want to sell the crypto immediately at the current market price, then you need to select market order option. For that, you need to tap on this little arrow facing downward, and from here you need to select market. After that, you need to enter the amount you wish to sell and now confirm the order by tapping on this sell BTC option. And if you want to set a specific price to sell at, then you need to choose limit order option. For that, you can tap on the same icon at the top, and here now tap on this limit option. After that, enter the amount at which you would like to sell. After you have entered the amount, now simply tap on this sell BTC button right here and then review the details of your order before confirming. Make sure everything is correct here. You can also view your completed transactions in the app transaction history section to confirm your sale. And once you have sold the BTC, you can withdraw it to your bank account or another account. Also make sure to check the fees associated with trading and withdrawing on BitMart. So by following the steps, you should be able to sell on BitMart application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.